And it's time for 2 minutes by my watches. Hello everyone, welcome to the review of this new NIV or NIW chronograph. A new brand amongst the big names of Aliexpress, but good specifications with correct pricing levels, so I needed to try it. This watch pays homage to vintage chronograph designs from the 30s to the 40s, and the job is well done. The watch is really pretty, it feels vintage with modern proportions. The case back is screwed down with no engraving, just nicely and simply brushed. The second hand is the chronograph second hand, so it only moves when the chronograph is launched. In the flaws, I would say there is no lume at all on the watch. The legibility is not so good, partly due to Liv's thin polished hands and the big amount of data printed on the dial. And the major flaw for me is the bullshit 21mm lug width. Why 21? Seriously. Okay, the provided strap is correct, but I love to switch my straps, and I don't really have 21mm straps. On these macro shots, you can see that the central sunray brushing and the subdials are pretty and classy. The dial is busy of informations, but the whole thing is balanced, and everything is very well finished for the price range. Take a look at these wonderful Liv's hands and this wow blued central second hand. Currently available for €48 in only one color and strap. The affiliate link is in description. This is how it looks on my 19.5cm wrist. As usual, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it and comment it, subscribing my channel and activate the notification bell. Bye!